Want to link your bank account to Kraken so you can deposit and withdraw funds easily? I'll show you how in just a few simple steps. Welcome back to How to Literally, where we keep it smart, simple, and scam-free. Kraken is a popular crypto exchange, and linking your bank account is essential for smooth transfers. Let's get you set up quickly. First, log into your Kraken account on their website or mobile app. Next, go to the funding section. On desktop, you'll see it in the main menu. On the app, tap the deposit button. Select the currency you want to deposit, like USD. Choose bank transfer or ACH as your deposit method. If you see the option, use Play to securely connect your bank by logging in directly. If not, enter your bank details manually, the account number, routing number, and bank name. Kraken might ask you to verify your bank account by submitting documents or confirming your identity. Just follow the prompts. Once linked and verified, you can start depositing or withdrawing funds from Kraken using your bank account. And that's it. Thank you for watching How to Literally, and see you in the next one.